Humans trust maps, trust teachers, trust the internet, until you zoom out and realize our world is full of misconceptions, outdated ideas, and straight-up myths that billions of people still repeat like gospel. These aren't small misunderstandings. These are the kind that shape how you imagine the entire planet. And by the end of this countdown, you'll question everything you thought you knew about Earth. 10. Mount Everest is the tallest mountain on Earth. You've heard this since childhood, but Everest is only the tallest above sea level, not the tallest mountain overall. If you measure from the ocean floor, the real giant is Mauna Kea in Hawaii, rising over 10,000 meters, a mountain so massive it dwarfs Everest, yet remains hidden beneath the Pacific like a sleeping titan. 9. The Sahara is the biggest desert in the world. Everyone pictures the Sahara's dunes stretching endlessly, but the largest desert isn't sandy at all. It's Antarctica, a frozen wasteland the size of 2 Australias combined. A desert is defined by dryness, not heat, meaning the most extreme desert on Earth is made of ice. 8. Africa is a country. A shocking number of people still say this out loud. Africa isn't a country. It's 54 sovereign nations, thousands of languages, and more cultural diversity than almost any region on the planet. Thinking of it as one country is like calling all of Europe a single village. 7. The Great Wall of China is visible from space. This myth is so persistent it's practically folklore. In reality, astronauts say the wall is nearly impossible to see, even from low Earth orbit. It blends into the landscape like a thin scar. Meanwhile, roads, airports, and city grids are way easier to spot. 6. The equator is the hottest place on Earth. Not even close. The true heat champions are places like Death Valley and the Lut Desert, far away from the equator. Why? Because humidity, airflow, and atmospheric circulation can turn random patches of land into literal ovens. The equator's humidity actually protects it from extreme temperatures. 5. Greenland is huge, almost the size of Africa. This is the most successful cartographic lie ever invented. When you look at the Mercator map, Greenland looks massive, but in real life, Africa is 14 times larger. The map stretches everything near the poles like bubblegum, giving Greenland a size it never earned. 4. Australia is the world's largest island. Australia is not an island. It's a continent. The world's largest island is actually Greenland. The definition is simple. If it sits on its own continental plate, it's a continent. If it doesn't, it's an island. Australia wins continent, Greenland gets island, and your textbook lied to you. 3. Russia is directly next to Alaska, separated by nothing but water. People imagine a giant ocean between them, but the truth is way stranger. The distance between Russia and Alaska shrinks to just 3.8 kilometers at the Diomede Islands. On a clear day, you can literally see Russia from Alaska, a world-spanning rivalry separated by a morning jog. 2. The Amazon River is the longest river on Earth. For decades, every school insisted on this, until researchers remeasured the Nile and concluded it's slightly longer. The Amazon is wider, deadlier, and more powerful. But in a strict length battle, the Nile wins by roughly the length of a small country. 1. The Earth is perfectly round. The biggest geography lie of them all. Earth isn't a perfect sphere. It's a squashed, lumpy, warped blob. The planet bulges at the equator, flattens at the poles, and is dented and stretched by mountains, gravity anomalies, and shifting continental plates. If you could hold Earth like a stress ball, it would feel uneven, like a planet that's been through billions of years of cosmic trauma. Now that I've shattered the 10 fakest geography facts you grew up believing, here's the real question. If the world lied to you about these, what else is hiding in plain sight?